Hacienda Mall. Picture mo nga ako dito.
Parang silang tao.
Dapat pinakalinis sa lamin mo yung transition. Yun, yan. Pag nasa araw, balik-balik siya. Tayo na sa Antipolo. Ay, hindi pala. Hacienda mo. Si Chris Lawrence po.
Everybody pasok lang kayo kasi may buy one take one tayo dito ngayon. So, it's gonna be a good day today. And mamaya-maya, kung maraming bumili, siguro kakanta din ako na para masaya tayo lahat dito. Dito sa Hacienda, the first time ko. Yes.
Ayan, so welcome
to
Puma Outlet. And kanina pa nga ng mga shoppers na tayo. And I-heard na mamimigay ka ng first collab shirt mo.
Yes, I just want to say maraming salamat kay Kruger PH. Maraming salamat. You know what, here, ito yung shirt. So I've been posting this on my social media lately. And for me, this is a dream come true. You know, a lot of times they ask me, what's one of your goals in life, Chris? I said, gusto ko maging Kanye West ng Pilipinas. Diba si Kanye, he made big waves in the States with his own shoe and stuff, with his own brand. Ngayon, this is a step closer to my dream come true. And I have an official KL, Chris Lawrence collab Puma t-shirt. And it's a very, very limited edition. So I think we're going to be raffling 10 pieces off today. We have it right here. Ayan, so legit, yeah, this is history in the making, guys. Kasi this is the first time Puma has done a collab shirt with a Filipino artist. So